Flamingo Girl by Sybile Art in 40 by 55 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with electric diamonds that are sprinkled in the white areas on the flamingo. For version 2 of Flamingo Girl, 40 by 55 cm rounds, we now add magenta crystals that are sprinkled on the body of the flamingo. So just place them as you wish on her body, and this will give her a bit more sparkle. And finally, for version 3, we add alexandrite that we place on the flower on the girl's hair, as well as filling in her blue dress with the crystals. We also place the remaining alexandrite and sprinkle it in the background. So you may have freedom on which specific areas you'd like to have a little bit more sparkle for this picture, and just place your special beads in those areas. When this painting was released, this came with free version 3 special treatment. So for Gemma Charles, this came free together with the painting when she purchased it during the promo. So watch out for more new designs coming out from our artists and possible new artists as well that will come with such promos such as the free special treatment.